Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to stop participants from removing or muting others in Microsoft Teams Mobile. So just simply open up your Microsoft Teams application. And now from here, you could just simply go ahead and schedule a meeting. And now after that, just simply provide all of the necessary information needed in order for you to create this meeting. Once you have done that, you can just simply tap the check icon on the top right. And now just simply go ahead and go to the calendar down below and select the meeting. And after that, just simply select join and make sure to allow everything on. Select join now. Now here on your meeting that you made, you can just simply select the two people icon in the top right corner of the screen beside the chat button. And it is a show participant option. And after that, just simply select meeting options at the top over here. And now from here, you will have two options who can bypass the lobby. So you will have three options over here. But most importantly for this video, just simply go for who can present and make sure it is turned to only me. And this way, you should be able to stop participants from removing or muting others in Microsoft Teams Mobile. And when they go to your meeting over here, you can only do the removing and muting option. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.